This is a medical ward of 13 bed for male and female both section. All the beds are ICU beds, and there are a lot of facilities of in bedhead units of section and oxygen, power and lights etc. and nurse call system also for patient. There are the power plug for boats. Side table here, or and this is wash basin along with floor drain, a beautiful 2 by 2 feet ceiling, gypsum board ceiling, a lot of facilities of speaker, fire devices, HVAC central light system, lighting, beds curtain for each curtain. You can see here marble flooring along with curtain. A lot of functions in the bed. You can see here all beds have a side table located to the curtain system, beds curtain system, nurse call screen. When I press this nurse call, so it will be display here. This is main door for ward entrance. Tray for you can use for laptop and a lot of purpose. Nursing counter. This is a hanging cabinet for storage, lockers etc. Medicine racks here. Nursing counter have facilities, a lot of and computer system. Dustbin, different type of dustbins here. You can see this is utility for storage. Stainless steel trolley, beds and all the other facilities you can see here. And this is another wash basin for this ward. Look at this. MashaAllah, beautiful. Washroom. Multiple washroom for this ward, male, female, separated. Mirror glass, mirror lights, soap dish. This is washroom 1, 2, hand dryer. And this is a shower room.